Hey everybody. Today we're going to keep working on solving addition problems. Today is addition story problems, and we're going to try to understand a couple of different strategies that you can use when you're doing an addition problem. So the first thing that you're going to notice in your slide deck is that there's this little speaker symbol, and when you click on that, you can hear the instructions.
Introducing Malcolm's marbles.
All right, so that's going to say exactly what this says. So you can go ahead and read that. We're going to do a couple of problems about Malcolm's marbles. First, you are going to work on the problem yourself. So the third slide, this one, has the problem that we're going to look at. And I would like for you actually to pause this video, read or listen to this problem, and complete the problem, and then take a picture of it and put it right here. So you should do that right now. And then when you come back, we can go over a couple of different ways, and you're going to try to see which way did you do, and is there another more efficient way that you might want to try. So go ahead and pause the video and work on this problem. If you need to hear it, you can click on the speaker button. All right, I'm assuming that you have done this problem and put your picture up here. I'll check that later. The next thing that you're going to do is click on this slide and look at this student's work. So this is one of the ways that somebody thought to do this problem. And then each one of these tells you the one way that you could think about it. Which one is the way that Roberto tried? Is it the blue one, the yellow one, or this weird salmon-y colored one? Listen to them or read them and try to figure out which one goes with this problem, and then drag whichever one you think it is over to the spot right here. And you're going to actually do that for the next couple slides. So there's Roberto's strategy, looks like that. Emma's strategy looks like this. So this time you're going to look and see which one of these matches this strategy. So you really have to think about, what are these saying? The first one, for example, says, I started with the tens and drew them. There are 3 tens in 34 and 1 10 in 17. That's 40. So see if you can figure out, is this what this student did? Or is this what this student did? And then you're going to drag whichever one you think goes there into this spot. And then we have Lucy's strategy. And I see some of you, all of us, my whole class, I think we're all using one of these strategies. So go ahead and do that. And then when you're done figuring out those 3, come back and we will look at why each one of these strategies works. Go ahead and work on those 3 slides. All right, why do these strategies work? So move the equal sign to work that looks like your strategy. Can you move this little box? Which one looks like your strategy? Oops. Move this question mark to one of the strategies that you're not sure about or that you have questions about. And move the light bulb to a strategy you think you might want to try. Now that you've seen some different strategies for solving addition, let's look at another problem and think about how you can solve it in more than one way. So here's a tricky thing. All right, Jonah's reading. Jonah loves to read. Yesterday he read 36 pages and today he read 28 pages. How many pages did Jonah read in all? So right now on your paper, you're going to go ahead and solve this problem in 2 different ways. And then you're going to put a picture of one of the ways here, and you're going to put your picture of the other way here. If you can't remember what a strategy, you can go back to slide number 7 or one of the other ones and think about how could you do this problem, not that one, this problem with the books. How could you do that problem using one of these strategies? Give it a try. It's really, really a fantastic idea to have more than one strategy for solving problems. So go ahead and do that, and that is it. Okay, mathematicians, I'm really proud of you for working through some of these things, and I am looking forward to seeing which strategy you used. Nice work today, everybody.